here's what we cut today. Give us a little nice little field. We got a strip that comes down, goes over the road, and runs out that way. We cut that. That's plenty for what we need. We got to cut down as low as we can get it, about 1 3/4 inches, about what we could do with it. And we've got that coming across that way. That's heading north and south, and then we got this whole field here to land east and west, and it's almost southeast is the direction almost. But as you see, we ought to have a plenty area to fly. Alright, looks like it's going to be a lot of fun.